Alright guys, so the application is finished and all you gotta do is basically open it up. What is up guys, today coming to you with another video, and in this video guys I'm going to be showing you guys how to get the Fortnite application. So with that being said guys, lately Fortnite has been banned on the Apple Store and you guys already know, and that's why you guys are watching this video. And guys, this is going to be a quick little video, so if you guys haven't subscribed to this channel yet, please do so now so you can get more videos just like this. Anyways guys, let's get straight into this video. Alright guys, so the first thing that you want to do is you want to go on Safari. Alright guys, so once you're on Safari, what you need to do now is you want to go and type in this link. I'm going to leave it in the description. So guys, all you need to do is just basically tap on that link. Basically it's going to be right on the video, or it's going to be down in the description. Anyways guys, once you have done that good jazz, all you need to do now is just tap on go, and it should direct you to this website. Guys, what you need to do is there's going to be a bunch of really bad ads that are going to keep popping up. So guys, make sure that you are patiently when you're trying to click these things out. So like, let's go here and just click on, and then there's like other stuff that you don't really want to see. Anyway, so guys, what you need to do is you want to keep scrolling down until you find where it says Fortnite. All you need to do now is basically tap on Fortnite, and then there's going to be an ad obviously, and all you need to do is just basically remove that. So you want to go back into the website, and then what you need to do is tap on Fortnite again. Maybe there might be a other website. Just keep tapping on Fortnite every time until you see this thing pop up saying that you want to install Fortnite. So guys, all you need to do now is basically tap on install, and it's supposed to be installing on your home screen. So let's go here on our home screen, and there it is guys. It's basically going to install on our home screen, so like we're gonna have to wait for a little bit. Ding, ding, ding. It's gonna take a long time, right? Bro, I love drinking Arizona, bro. This video is not sponsored. It's not sponsored by Arizona, guys. But go buy this, bro. Go buy this. I got like a whole nother pack right here, bro. Just waiting to be drinking, bro. Guys, go F with Arizona, bro. It's like really good drink, bro. Alright guys, so the application is finished and all you gotta do is basically open it up. And guys, I think you guys are familiar with this thing. Basically when you're trying to install Fortnite, all you need to do is basically create an account and everything, guys. So what I'm gonna do is log in with my account, and I'm gonna show you guys that it actually works and that Fortnite will be installing on your computer, on your phone. Anyway, so what you need to do is tap on yes sir, and then choose whatever servers you feel like you want to log in with. So let's go here and just tap on Xbox real quick. By the way, it's also connected to, you know, the different. Alrighty, so now it's signing in, and boom, there you go. Now I'll just tap on allow, and basically what it's gonna do now guys is basically going to install everything, all the files that you need to play Fortnite. And guys, when it's done guys, I'm not going to wait for this guys, but you guys gonna have to wait for it. But when it's done guys, all you need to do is basically tap on install, and you should be good. Then you will be able to play Fortnite. Anyways guys, that'll be the end of the video, and I hope y'all enjoyed it. And if you did, please leave a like, and if you didn't, please leave a dislike. Thank you again for watching this video. TSGI is signing off.
In the squad, I've been making more videos than I thought. I've been tweeting every single week, every day. Every day has been the hardest for me, but I keep going. Yeah, keep going. Every time I go in, I try to quit, but I can't, because I'm all about it. I cannot stop about it. I love YouTube. I make YouTube my thing. I cannot stop and can't. No, yeah.